Hello guys, review Samsung Galaxy A07, this version 4GB memory and 128GB storage. Open box and look complementation. We have device, of course. In complementation we have only cable Type-C to Type-C and key for SIM slot. That's all complementation. Okay. Now talk about device. We have double camera on the back side, LED on this side, power button and warm buttons, downside Type-C, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. On this side slot for SIM cards and micro SD card. Okay, and we have display 6.7 inch. Open settings. We have Android version 15 and Knox 3.11 One UI 7.0. Okay, good works. And now open Geekbench 6, talk about system information. We have MediaTek Helio G99 and Mali G57 GPU. Look results, single core score and multi-core score. Okay. And look Antutu benchmark. Good results in Antutu benchmark and run PUBG Mobile. Look how this game works on a device. Okay, game load and load on the high graphic level and works good. Okay, now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.